Students of 11th English medium, I am going to tell you how you will attempt the questions given according to the NCERT pattern. In old format, we were taught noun clause, and by using noun clause, we had to synthesize the sentences. We used those sentences in translation, but in this new pattern, you will have to attempt such type of questions. Suppose I taught you noun clause and I am giving you a question to find errors based on noun clause. You will be given a question like this: he will not go, the teacher declared. In this question, the instruction is find out error. Then you will have to see in each part A, B, C, D, E, F, he will not go, the teacher declared. You will have to find out where the error is. Now this noun clause is given in a different form. Generally we see principal clause written in the beginning and subordinate clause in the second part. But to make you confused, to surprise you, this question is given here, and it is a very tricky question. Then you will have to see that this will be changed according to declared, because this principal clause in past, that's why you will change this will into would. Generally errors remains in one word only. Then you found that will is wrong, it should be would. That's why you will write this wrong word here in the first blank, and you will write the right word in the second blank under the right word. In this way you find error. One word is given wrong in all the parts, in each part. So you will find the wrong word in each part, fill in the first blank, and then you will fill right word in the second blank. In this way, in question number 2, you will be given omit in the sentences. There will be omission. Then you will have to go through, you will have to read the whole sentence, and you will find which word is missing in between. Now if we go through this sentence, we read this sentence, we read he thinks that he go tomorrow. Then I find that between he and go, will is missing. Then the first word and the second word, we write he here and go here, and the missing word between them is will. I wrote will here. In this way you will go through all the questions B, C and D, and in each sentence there will be a one word missing, and you will fill in the same way. I hope you will attempt your assignment properly. Thanks.